left the company. And that's from the secretary to a CEO. Do you think she has successfully broken the glass ceiling? You may think this question. And thank you. It's our presentation.
Have a seat. I have a couple comments. First of all, I think the first part, Athena and Michelle's presentations can be combined a little bit because Athena mentioned 3 categories of sexual harassment and Michelle gave examples from North Country. If you can combine the 2, that will be much more strengthened, you know. That's number 1. Number 2, somehow in the middle, I can't see the connection between glass ceiling phenomenon and sexual harassment, right? I don't see the connection very clearly. If you want to, then how can we strengthen it? I was thinking perhaps you need to have a balanced perspective. If you mention sexual harassment can happen not only in women, it also happens in men. Then men also experience glass ceiling phenomenon, right? Can you be a little critical? Can you stop perceiving glass ceiling phenomenon as something that women experience as a victim? I think men also have difficulty when they reach their, sometime in their career, they also have some kind of glass ceiling phenomenon. Have you ever thought about it? For example, in education, there are a lot of female teachers, but very few male teachers in elementary school, okay? Why don't we have so many male teachers in elementary school? Number 2, if a man wants to be a house husband, if a man wants to raise his family, wants to stay in the kitchen, wants to shop, wants to sew, and just wants to be, whatever a housewife can do, can a man do that? So I would like you to be more critical and provide a balanced perspective for both men and women. Right, so just these 2, especially make the connection stronger between sexual harassment and glass ceiling phenomenon. Right, okay, that's my perspective. Do you have other comments? Yes, Michelle.
I think the presentation is good enough. For the last part of the glass ceiling, I think you can, because Dr. already mentioned you need to balance it, so maybe, because you already have the example, right, the girl's example, you can just shorten it like you mentioned that she faces the home, like divorce and blah blah blah. You can just list within 1 PPT, just list what she has faced, and then you can make a comparison with I thought of nurse, like we have boy nurse in Taiwan and also America, but they face glass ceiling very clearly. You can use it as a comparison. That would be more.
Yeah, especially because the last group is made of 6 female students, right? 5 or 6 female students. It would be better to give people the impression that you are not biased, okay? You are not trying to put down some other people by showing that, who is more powerful, but make it more professional and balanced. So, like we said, add a section dealing with men especially. I really appreciate the section on sexual harassment when you mentioned, how men feel when they are being harassed by women. Maybe for women, we feel, it would never happen to men, but I think the video clip is very eye-opening. But I want to see, the glass ceiling phenomenon. It's too stereotypical, Can you do something just counterintuitive, unexpected? That will really shock people and let them think. All right? Okay. Can you turn on the light, please? Can somebody turn on the light? Well, I prepared something special from the bottom of my heart. I know it would be wonderful if I could provide some material reward, but due to budget cut, we couldn't do that. But maybe material award is not that important. If I can show sincere appreciation and make something really unique, maybe, non-material award can be equally appreciated. So I prepared something non-material for you, just to show how much I appreciate your participation and your hard work in this class. And as a result, you have made a difference, especially in my teaching career. I've learned how to teach from teaching you this semester. It has actually challenged me to move a step further in preparation for undergraduate teaching. So I want to thank you for teaching me how to teach by showing me how much you can do. Okay, so I'm gonna give you some special awards now. I'd like to present Perfect Attendance Award to Zhang Xinyu. Actually, there are two awardees. The next one is Lu Meijun. The first day of class, she wasn't here because she didn't know we have such an interesting class. But ever since she joined us, she's a perfect attendee. Okay, next. I'd like to present early bird submission of assignments to Xu Youjing. I want to appreciate him for always submitting his homework the first early. Next, I'd like to present perfect completion of required assignments to Cai Yixuan. Congratulations. The next is Excellent Reflections Award is presented to Chen Yuqi. Next, I'd like to present the Best Questions Awards to Jean Yeqian. I also have 6 leadership awards. Okay, the first one is the Best Leadership Award goes to Ding Yangyun. Another leadership award goes to Wang Jie. Next, leadership award goes to Jiang Manhua. is 梁义慈. The next leadership award goes to Huang Yidi. Yes, yes, yes. No doubt, no question about it. Okay, the last leadership award goes to Lai Yuwei. And I have, the next award is Hero Behind the Scene. This award goes to Shi Jiawei. You all know Best Performance Award, 卓越. Okay. I also have a special award. Never Give Up Award goes to Chen Jiongting. I also have the most popular person in this class. Popularity Award goes to Zokbata. Congratulations. Okay, we also have a very consistent person in this class. This goes to Liu Ziyu. We have two very courageous people in this class. They are very young, but very promising and very courageous. They are here participating with all of you upper class people. They insisted on doing their very best. Fang Ziyun. Fang Ziyun is not here. How about Xiao Chunfang? Okay, the two most courageous people are cowards. That's okay. All right. We also have two people in this class who are very special. They almost always sit next to each other, supporting each other. Okay, I like to present this award to Huang Weijie and Cai Yirong. Okay. I also have Kuso Judge Award presented to Ni Zixun. Okay. Next, I have Best Debater Award goes to Lin Peizhen. Well, we have not only one Best Debater. The next Best Debater Award goes to Lin Peihua. Okay, next, Shi Yanling. Okay, next, Xu Yalan. We have 4 excellent debaters in this class. Okay, I also like to appreciate the webmaster of our class, Lydia Lin. She has worked very hard behind the scene. And of course, last but not least, I want to present this special award to Peggy Young, who served faithfully as our TA in this class. Okay, so we've come to the very end of this class. If anyone one of you would like to say a few words, I'm going to give the microphone to you. Who would like to say a few words, some reflections, or whatever you want to say? We have 10 minutes for you to reflect on this class.
Okay, we have 15 minutes left. I will just take maybe 5 minutes to yeah. This course is actually one of the interesting courses I've ever taken in my university life. Yeah, because this semester is going to be maybe going to be my last semester, so I won't be in university next semester. You won't see me next semester probably. Yeah, so I really appreciate that in my last semester I will have a chance to meet you guys, and you guys are so awesome. I learned a lot from you, and especially from Joe, and also Michelle. Yeah, and also other classmates. Yeah, and I really appreciate because I learned a lot, really a lot from you. I like the way you presentation, and also we have group discussion a lot. And also thank you, Dr. Ra, and for your teaching, because I learned a lot about linguistics and how to communicate. Like, though I can think deeper when I communicate. Yeah, and also thank you our TAs, and also Jason. Yeah, he's actually behind the scene to help us to correct our.
I'm going to give him a word tomorrow.
Yeah, correct my wrong grammar or something. Yeah, because I really learned a lot from our class, and I will appreciate I had the time to be here.
Actually, I also have some difficulty in speaking, and I really do appreciate for, of course, Dr. Brown, and I really did learn a lot from all the classmates, and I'm also very glad that although the loading will be more heavier to do the same presentation twice in different topic, but I also very glad to have different group members, because I really made a lot of group friends in this class, like the original group members and the second group members, and it really also a pity that I didn't work with Michelle Jiang's groups. That will be a large pity. And also met Topata, my very best friend. Stone will be very cool, and Andy, although sometimes I can't really understand what he is talking about, but I'm really very nice to meet him, because he's very a good leader in a group, in a group, and I think that's what. So thank you very much, and thank you for the snack box. So.